Welcome to Bike Lane. Today we're breaking down the 2026 Yamaha MT-03, the latest iteration of Yamaha's popular lightweight street fighter that blends agile performance with everyday usability. Overview and positioning. The 2026 MT-03 builds on its reputation as a fun, approachable bike for both new and experienced riders. It sits in the entry-level naked category, offering sharp styling, nimble handling, and accessible power suited for urban streets and twisty backroads alike. Engine and performance. Powering the MT-03 is a 321 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine tuned for smooth torque delivery and responsive throttle feel. Designed to balance spirited performance with rider confidence, it delivers usable mid-range power and a lively character that keeps rides engaging without overwhelming. Chassis and handling. A light and compact chassis, combined with a well-calibrated suspension setup, gives the MT-03 its trademark agility. The bike's geometry promotes quick direction changes and stable cornering, making it ideal for traffic and canyon runs. Braking hardware with ABS ensures controlled stops in varied conditions. Electronics and rider aids. For 2026, the MT-03 includes rider-friendly electronics like switchable ABS and a modern digital instrument cluster. While it keeps things simple, the focus remains on intuitive control and clear feedback for riders of all levels. Design and ergonomics. The MT-03's aggressive, dark side of Japan styling features sharp lines, a compact headlight design, and a muscular stance. Upright ergonomics strike a balance between comfort and sportiness, reducing fatigue on longer rides while maintaining an engaging posture. Final thoughts. The 2026 Yamaha MT-03 continues to be a compelling choice for riders seeking a lightweight, agile, and stylish street bike that's easy to live with and exciting to ride. Stay tuned to Bike Lane for more motorcycle breakdowns and ride insights.